So children, let us see the uses of the infinitive. So how infinitive they are used. So noun infinitive is used like a noun. So as the subject of the verb. So as the subject of the verb mean to say here, as a subject in a tense it is used here. Like to err is human. So here to err it is used here as a subject. And to err it is an infinitive but it is used as a subject here. To forgive is divine. So here to forgive it is infinitive, okay, but it is used as a subject. To solve this question is difficult. To solve it is infinitive but used as a subject here. Next is there as the object of the verb. Okay, so after the verb, like he likes to play, Rajesh wanted to do his job. Wanted, okay, so after the verb they are following wanted to do his work here. Next is there as the complement of a verb. Like he seems to be mad. The children are to go home early. Next is there as the object of the preposition, means they are used after the preposition here. Like he is about to go home. She had no choice but to cry here. But after but they are used here, so these are used as the object of the preposition here. So next is there next let us try to solve the exercises here. Pick out the infinitive in each of these sentences and tell how it is used. I have come to see you. Okay, so I have come to see you. What is the purpose here of coming? To see you. So here to see, it is the object of the it is the object of the verb here. Next is there, so it means it is qualifying the verb here. To see, it is qualifying the noun here. Next is here, please give me some water to drink. Okay, so water to drink, so it means it is qualifying the noun here. Next is here, we eat to live. We eat to live means purpose of eating, it is there to live, so it is here the object of the verb. Next is there, to read is a good habit. To read, so it is the subject here. It is used as the subject here. To read is a good habit. They all like to play. Like to play here, so it is the object of the verb. It is human to err. It is human to err here, so it is qualifying a noun. It is qualifying a noun here. He is anxious to learn. Anxious to learn. Anxiousness, it is shown here for learning, so anxious is the object, so it is qualifying the object here, adjective here. So it is qualifying the adjective here. I heard her sing. Okay, I heard her sing here, it is used as infinitive here, bare infinitive we are saying here. It's easy to advise other. It's easy to advise other, so it is also here qualifying the adjective here. It is qualifying the adjective here. So he is willing to help us. He is willing to help us means willingness, it is shown there for helping, so willing is a verb here, so it is qualifying a verb here. Next is there, to tell the truth, he is a liar. So to tell the truth, it is qualifying a subject here. Next is there, he wish Harry to win. He wish Harry to win, so his wish is there for Harry to win, so it is qualifying a noun here. I offer him a chair to sit. Okay, so chair, it is given for sitting, so it is also qualifying a noun here. he is too honest to accept a bribe. Okay, so here it is accept a bribe. Honesty, it is shown here, it is related with the accepting of bribe, so it is an it is qualifying an adjective here. Next is here I. He appeared to be sad. He appears to be sad, so it is qualifying a verb here. She has no choice but to obey, so here it is qualifying a preposition. Okay, he has no choice but to obey, so here it is used as a object to preposition. Give me something to eat. Something to eat here, so it is qualifying a noun here. Next is here Annie helped me learn English. Annie helped me learn English, so it is used here as a help me learn, bare infinitive. The train is about to leave. Okay, so it is like preposition to what's that, object to preposition. I was told to go, so it is qualifying here a verb, object to verb, it is shown here. So I hope that students, you all will listen this exercise very listen this exercise, watch this video and complete this exercise in your book. So next is there, combine the following pair of the sentences by using infinitive. So infinitives are given to learn, and so we have to combine these two sentences here. So let us see, they wanted to learn, they worked hard for that reason. So here they wanted to earn, they worked hard for that reason, so they worked hard to earn. They worked hard to earn. Next is there, he was sensible, he did the right thing. He was sensible to do the right thing. Next is there, the students are not able to solve the problems, it's too difficult for them. So it's too difficult for the students to solve the problem. Next is there, the students are not, the lesson is very long, I cannot finish it today. It cannot be finished today. Okay, so the lesson is too long to be finished today. The lesson is too long to be finished today. The school appoints Rex, he would teach geography. So the school appointed Rex to teach geography. Next is there, we go to a cinema, we see a movie there. So we go to cinema hall to see a movie. Next is there, I have no interest in business, I must tell you frankly. So what is there, I have no interest in business to tell you frankly. Next, these men held a meeting, they wanted to select a manager. So these men held a meeting to select a manager for this factory. Next is there, the man took out a pistol, he intended to frighten all of us. So the man took out a pistol to frighten all of us. Pamela collects old stamps, this is her hobby. So Pamela's hobby is to collect old stamps. So my dear children, I hope that you will complete these exercises in your notebook.